A blessed Sunday to all. I'm recording this just in case there's a problem with our internet connection, but I'm actually watching tonight. I would like to thank Teacher Mayet for this rare opportunity. You know, she has been a member of MTNA Philippines and has been a coordinator since we started in 2021. And we are so privileged that the Visayas division of MTNA Philippines, together with our schools there, Silliman University, where Professor Mayet teaches, and of course our schools at the University of Southern Philippines, Tabor Hill College, other schools in the Visayas region who are helping MTNA. But actually, the Visayan languages is not only for that region, but as you all know, Teacher Shara, our amazing and inspiring coordinator for the Visayan languages, it's also part of Mindanao and part of the entire world, anybody who speaks Bisaya. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record or have my message translated. Usually, I have it translated, but because of our busy time here preparing for our violin ensemble here in Batanes, I don't have much time. But I just want to thank all of you for participating tonight. I do hope that you will join our first ever Mindanao Music Festival, which will be annual. This is the Sunday before National Heroes Day, which is August 25 this year. It is open for everybody as long as you fly and go to Cagayan de Oro at the Rodelsa Hall. And perhaps our MTNA Philippines teachers might want to join us the following day. We can go on a tour, maybe go to Camiguin province, that island there. So many things. I want to thank our Visayan languages teachers, Visayas, Mindanao, and our teachers abroad who also speak the language. Daghang salamat. And Teacher Mayet, please, don't get tired of helping us. We need you so much and your expertise. And I hope that in our next month's webinar, you will all be present again and continue recruiting members for MTNA Philippines. Our goal is Music Teachers Unite. Mayong gabi sa inyong lahat. And thank you again for this wonderful opportunity. God bless.